Kim Kardashian fans are really confused after taking a closer look at Kim's latest photo of Chicago and True. Some fans are questioning if she photoshopped True into the pic, and I gotta say, once I heard that, it's pretty hard to ignore. You see, on January 1st, Kim posted 2 photos of the Kardashian kids, Chicago and True, at Disney, with Kim writing in the caption, "Lots of love." However, as you can see from some of those comments below, people were calling her out for photoshopping the pics. One person writes, "Why does True look photoshopped in though?" With another adding, "Why is True looking like a sticker?" Which I thought was a funny comment because that's literally what she looks like in these photos. It gives a big copy-paste energy, if you will. And if anyone out there has ever photoshopped one image into another before, then you'll know that at first you get this kind of harsh cut line of where you took the image from. Usually people will take like the blur tool in Photoshop and just sort of run that along the line, and then it will blend better into the photo. But on Kim's pic, you can see which part of the image was cut. Now, a Kardashian fan account called @kai.storm.lovely decided to do a little bit of investigative work into where this photoshopped image came from. And in the photo, you'll see that they discovered the original image of True next to the photoshopped one. In the side-by-side comparisons that the fan page posted, you can see that Kim cut True's face out of an old photo that Khloe posted and then placed it on top of this new one with Chicago. Even the hairstyle works for the second photo that she posted. In this image, you can see that Kim just photoshopped some Mickey Mouse ears on her head and then just tilted the image. What's even weirder is that it's only True's face that's being photoshopped onto the images. People actually think that Kim photoshopped True's face onto Stormi's body. Now, in the past, Kim has admitted to photoshopping her own children into photos, specifically the Kardashian West Christmas card back in 2019. She would later admit during an interview with Ellen, "It's the most anxiety to get 4 kids together smiling in a room." She then told the story about how North didn't want to be in the family photo. So the following day, she had to actually ask the photographer to take separate pictures of North and then just get them to Photoshop her into the Christmas card. And many of her fans found this to be very odd as well, but Kim said that she doesn't regret doing it. She later said during the interview that she even prefers to do it this way instead of forcing an upset child to continue with the photo shoot when they don't really want to. But that makes sense for her own kids, at least, to her it makes sense. But why Photoshop True over Stormi in a photo? It's just a really, really weird thing to do. I don't know if Khloe gave her the green light on this idea, but I guarantee Kylie is going to be just as confused. Not to mention, the photo of Chicago was also taken back in October, which was another thing that a lot of fans kept mentioning. Like I've said many times before on this channel, perhaps all of these little weird things are actually done on purpose. I mean, what better way to drum up conversation on the internet than to do something out of the ordinary? I don't think anything that we see from the Kardashians is done by accident. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on all this though, because that's all the time that we have for today. So stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one.